One of the first few prototypes I've made for my YouTube channel was to create a channel avatar. I initially decided to draw and use an anime avatar, and after a few rough sketches, I came up with an unfinished draft since I wasn't quite happy with it and would want to hear user feedbacks before finalizing anything. One user to commented on my design was found on Twitter. Despite this user's sarcastic tendency, I've decided to take his remark at face value and interpret it in the sense that this design, while may look good on a surface level, but there's a difference between what looks appealing and what would attract viewers. Considering the feedbacks from Twitter, I think this means that this design certainly doesn't bode well with my intended users and audience, seeing that it is bashed for being too appealing. Hence, based on my reflection, I decided to iterate this avatar making process by making another avatar, but this time far more simplistic and dumbed down. Here's the new design and the avatar that I'm currently and would most likely keep using unless I make a better one. Another instance where I was able to receive valuable feedback that made me iterate my prototype was when I presented video ideas and scripts of my videos to my users and asked for feedback before finalizing them. Evidently, due to the nature of it being a script, I couldn't just upload it onto my social medias to ask for online feedbacks in fear of others potentially stealing it. Hence, the only feedbacks I was able to gather here were from close sources. One of the few video ideas that didn't receive positive feedbacks, which probably made me alter it afterwards, was when I intended to make my first ever video just me having a playthrough of the game Doki Doki Literature Club. Hence, no script is needed. However, upon hearing my video idea, my cousin advised me not to do so. Not because the video idea itself was a bad idea, just that having it as my first ever video would feel odd and out of place. Considering the criticism from my cousin, I eventually found that my idea for my first ever video did seem kind of amateur and half-baked. Based on my relapse of judgment, I decided to iterate the video idea for my first video, and instead of just any random video, I decided to make an introductory video for myself, and more specifically, the avatar whom I'm playing. And here's the script. The last key learning moment due to user feedbacks that I discussed about is regarding my channel intro. At first I intended on having the intro to my videos being like this. However, something about it didn't sit right with me, and I can't put my finger on it. Hence, I decided to seek advices and feedbacks from users on whether they enjoy this type of intro to be displayed within my type of video contents. Another feedbacks I received for this time more professionally advised, were from two of my friends who became YouTubers before me. Hence, they have first-hand experiences. They both proposed that I should just abandon the intro and instead just make do with a quick reading at the beginning of the video, since it would also make it less cringy and try-hard. Considering all the negative feedbacks I received towards my idea of incorporating an intro sequence at the beginning of my videos, I think this means that an intro sequence is unneeded. Hence, based on my reflection, I decided to iterate my idea of having an intro sequence. Instead, I would just have myself greet my users at the beginning of the video by saying, "How's it going?" or etc. in order to probably build a chill and suitable atmosphere while seamlessly carrying the intro to the main topic. Thank you for watching, and the rest will be displayed in my blog posts.